Whoa! Man, it's been a while since I've been wearing Hollister. Got a little Hollister update for those who love Hollister. Now, here's a little backstory. Growing up, Hollister was my favorite brand. I absolutely loved Hollister. I loved the fitting and everything. So, of course, we are getting back into personal growth, financial growth, everything growth. We are changing our lives every day now to be the best version of ourselves. And that includes going back to actually name brand clothing. So we picked up 6 Hollister shirts, some 6 styles. But that's not all. We picked up another 5-pack of Hollister shirts. So right there is 11 Hollister shirts. And of course, my friends, we had to go with even more Hollister shirts of different styles. Because you know what? I don't really know what. All I know is I'm living my best life because I decide in here to live my best life. When you stop living a life of, oh, whoa this, whoa me, whoa that, oh man, I'm this, I'm that, I'm fat, I this, I that, I can't afford this or that. When you start changing your mindset and actually working on the areas you're complaining about finances, what are you doing about it? Get changing it. You complain about how you look, what are you doing about it? Get changing it. We as humans can do so many amazing things if we want. We can have anything that we want no matter where you started out. That's the great thing about being a human. Did you know most rich people, they have lost their income not once, not twice, but multiple times in their lifetime and gained it all back? Why? Because they learn. The problem with people that are broke is they don't learn from their mistakes and they keep repeating the same mistakes over and over. The wealthy, the tops, they make mistakes, they learn from that mistake, then they make another mistake in another area, they learn from that, and then they build all that knowledge onto each other. There's no different with health. You start out young, looking good, and then middle school or somewhere you get fat, and then you made a mistake. That's a mistake. You overeat. Some people then never learn from that mistake. Some people like me start out chubby as a baby, you get thin, you go through a chubby stage, you get thin again, go through a chubby stage, get thin. I went through a 211 pound stage recently, like a month or two ago, and now I'm getting back on, and I need to learn now to stick with not squandering what I have, So I'm getting back on personal health. I'm getting back on financial health, fitness health, everything I'm working on to be in the best version of myself. And you know what? I can look as good as I want to look. I can have as much money as I want to have. It all starts up in here. And if you change what's up in here, you change your whole life.